I liked what Pankaj did in Heather, Monan did in Miss Lovely. I really liked Ugly also from last year. I think it was very well shot and there was a very strong mood in the film and it was very consistently taken through the film. It's an interesting format that what Pandolin is doing of bringing all kinds of people and kind of to get a opinion on what they thought, even in terms of technical departments in the film. Because of the whole access to lot of world cinema and because of internet, people also getting more and more educated in films. Like I probably meet more people who are not from film industry, who have seen more films and unheard films than most of us. So there is a lot of access now to a lot of world cinema. So I think people are becoming more sensitive to visuals. Cinematographers were always, it's by nature that you become sensitive to visuals and you try your best to try and tell the story in a very visual and cinematic way. But now even directors and producers, everyone watching a lot of international cinema and a lot of classic Indian cinema, and now they are also like they are now more and more. Earlier there used to be a very less, like few number of people who were probably making trying to make good films with and being more sensitive to cinematography. But now there are more and more people and directors are also very adamant on and in tune with the whole visual storytelling. I remember making, directing and shooting short films 15 years back, and there was no audience, probably like 10 people from my college or some 20 people from my colony, my cousins and all will be watching those films. But now the audience has become so massive, so it's so big that it's kind of great that you have an audience for everything, but at the same time it's scary because anyone can say anything to whatever you do. So you are always under scrutiny, so the standards automatically become very high. My favorite cinematographer has been Mark Lee Ping Bing. He shot a lot of Hu Sao Se films and he shot a lot of parts of 2046, and yeah, I really like him. And there are a lot of other guys, like there are so many of them who are doing some great phenomenal work. There's Dorius Khondji and there is Chivo and Prieto. I love Prieto's work. And there's Robert Richardson. There are a lot of them. Like you can't say that there's one guy who's